Hey you guys, welcome and thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Catalina, aka Style of Catalina on here, and today I just decided to do this look. I just woke up this morning and I felt very vibrant with my outfit, so I just decided let me do this quick makeup look because I am shooting later. This look is very simple, nude lips. I just didn't feel like doing much at all. I haven't done shadow in a long time. I haven't done lashes in a minute. These earrings are from Forever 21. If you have seen a video from a while ago, I had these earrings on. So this is an Urban Outfitters turtleneck from the thrift store. And I got this blazer from Ross. Yeah, I got this from Ross last year. So yeah, I just decided to do some color blocking. I'm wearing high-waisted jeans and a fringe boot. So yeah, I really don't have much to say. Just make sure you subscribe, like this video, and make sure you share this video as well. Comment down below, let me know if you love this look as much as I do. And make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified on when I upload, okay? And without further ado, let's get started.